We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner in a Brother MFC L8900. So first thing first, this printer, it takes 3 different types of cartridge. The low yield is a TN431, high yield is a TN433, and your super high yield is going to be your TN436. So first thing you want to do is press this little button here to open your front hatch. Then you'll see this, go ahead and pull this guy out, and here's all your colors, and they are color coded. So what you do is just go ahead and pull out your old toner, unbox your new one, take it out, make sure not to touch any of the rollers or anything right there because you could get ink on your hands, and then also it could put smudges onto here which would put it onto the paper. So go ahead and take your new toner, stick it back in there. Once it clicks, you know it's in. And then you would just do that for all colors, whichever color you're needing to replace. Like I said, the color guides, they'll be right here on this side. Once you get your toner replaced, go ahead and push this guy back in there, shut your front hatch, and then your printer should start initializing. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.